This video is intended to be viewed by adult toy collectors and may contain questionable content and language. Viewer discretion is recommended. I make these videos for your enjoyment as well as my own. Greetings, this is Quentin-Rom and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Transformers Cyberverse Power of the Spark Armor Starscream. And why does Starscream have a bulldozer? Let's find out. Well, first, let's take a look at his jet mode. Got a nice little blue nose. Got some golden windows for the cockpit thingy. And he's got mostly gray body. He's got some nice purple stripes with the Decepticon insignia. And he got some interesting design patterns. Don't think I've ever seen that kind of pattern on a Decepticon jet seeker before. And he looks kind of unfinished. Got some obvious robot legs sticking out the back, his hands. But the front part looks like a jet. I guess you could call these engine thrusters. Looking at the bottom, we got some nice ports for sticking weapons. He's got a landing gear that can fold up. Some fake landing gear on the back. Obvious robot parts underneath the plane. He's got tail fins. And let's transform him into his robot mode. Just pop the legs apart, pop the arms free of the wings, and fold the shoulders up. And we can do something with the legs. Unhook the back and rotate, giving him a nice red waist. Looks like he's got some red Speedos on. And flip the nose cone back. And then while that's back, kind of rotate forward. Got a nice little hinge. The wings just kind of peg in the back there. Get over those little parts. And it's got a little tab there. Kind of plugs in. And just adjust them. And get his little feet forward. And he stands up quite nicely. Except I cut his head off. There we go. And let's take a look. He definitely looks like a Starscream. And we've seen worse kibble on a seeker, so guess that can pass. He's got nice little elbow bends. Can rotate at the shoulders and lift up and down. Now he's got all standard movements and a nice knee bend. And let's take a look at his face. And he's got nice red eyes. Got a little goatee going there. Kind of really liked in face sculpt. And now let's bring in his little accessory partner, the Bulldozer. He's yellow, got some black threads. A little gray there. He got a nice little blacked out window. And a little scoop goes up and down. You can pop that off. Give it this little look. And little parts all come apart. And then they can combine with Starscream. Give him his Spark Armor. First, we take the little truck parts, or the tracks. See, there's a nice little slot right there. Those jet fins kind of slide right up in there. Stick those pegs into the ports. And we got that. And then this part, you can stick into his hand. A little tight. And fit this little shovel accessory. He's ready to go scoop out Ravage's litter box. And then we got the cab of the vehicle. Got the two little ports there that stick into his shoulders. Kind of fold this part up. Stick it down on there. Holes are kind of tight. And adjust the camera. And this folds down. And then this pops up. Give him a rather cool looking helmet. And this is Spark Armor Starscream. From the Transformers Cyberverse Power of the Spark. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And there's a nice turnaround look at them. And for a size comparison, here is G1 Ravage. And here is Guardian GoBot's Scooter. And here is Masters of the Universe Revelations Evelyn. Thank you for watching. This is it for this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. And thank you for watching. This has been a Quentin-Rom video production. Be nice to your toys.